boarding school. So yeah, my phone is kind of glitching. Okay, let me just buy cereal. It's too cramped here, guys. It's too small. Then I need candy. What more? Sure, I'll be needing eggs and this too. Oh my god, there's cheese. I want some pizza for tonight. Well, I'm just going to the canteen when dinner. They have dinner, but you can't choose all out in a canteen. Oh, I'll just make myself dinner here. Okay, I'll be going to the canteen later. Why are you sleeping? Okay. Oh, and I'll be getting more. How much is that? That will be that will be $30. That's much. Actually, it's supposedly be 50 bucks. Okay, I kind of forgot my wallet, so can you get my wallet? Yeah. Sure. Here's your wallet. Thank you. Why is it on the back? Don't know. Put it in the bag, ma'am. I'll help you put this in the bag. Kana? Okay. Johnson na lang? Johnson na lang lotion? Oh my god, why does this not fit inside? Like, why? Like, by the way, I don't blame it. It's more aesthetic than this old one. Yeah. Put it there. And that's it. Here, ma'am. Thank you. Goodbye. See you. Yeah, sorry. Pretend, guys, it's open. It's already dark outside. Why does she not have lights, guys? She's supposed to be having a light. And why does it not have a light on? It's getting dark now. On breakfast, I'll be eating something too. Okay, I'll make myself here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't want to, like, buy yeah, but I don't want to explore out there. How do you get money here? I work. Wow, great. I work too. Where? I work at YouTube, TikTok, everything that is social and subscribers, viewers, yeah, everything. And I just reached 5 million. Wow. I mean 18. Wow. Let me just bye. Hey, what's the point of having What's the point of her having some stuff even though she doesn't?